Welcome to SitSafe Original.Life Lancelot car seat installation. First, turn the reclining board from back to front. Press the adjuster level to the bottom. Pull the toddler belt forward and release it. Take off the inner cushion. Put the child car seat on the vehicle seat and make sure it's facing to the opposite direction of the vehicle running. Grip the red lever at the front of the child car seat and pull the seat into its fully reclined position till level 4. Pull the car belt and install through the child car seat and insert into the vehicle seat buckle. Use the belt lock to lock and tighten the seat belt. Check if the child car seat is firmly installed. Put back the inner cushion into the child car seat, sitting your child on the car seat. Put the shoulder pads on the shoulders of the child and lock it. Pull the harness adjust strap until the shoulder pads touches the chest of your child. Lastly, adjust headrest to fix the child's height. Grip the red lever and push the child car seat in upright position at level 1. Then, turn the reclining board from front to back. Put the child car seat on the vehicle seat and make sure it's facing to the direction of the vehicle running. Press the adjuster level to the bottom. Pull the toddler belt forward and release it. Take off the inner cushion. Open the zipper on both sides of the seat. Bring the car belt through the side hole on the backrest and go through the side hole on backrest. On another side, insert into the vehicle seat buckle. Use the belt lock to tighten the seat belt. Check if the child car seat is firmly installed. Sitting your child on the car seat. Put the shoulder pads on the shoulders of the child and lock it. Pull the harness adjust strap until the shoulder pads touches the chest of your child. Lastly, adjust headrest to fix the child height. Thank you for watching and hope that you have a safe journey.